What do you think?
Good job.
What do you think, dude?
We gotta put a sheet on.
Look at your face. Now you can get out of bed and come get Mommy and Daddy when you wake up.
Yay!
And Mommy and Daddy have to make sure they shut the gate when we go to bed.
Yeah. You wanna go sleep in your big boy bed tonight?
I think it's big enough for you. What do you think?
Yeah. I think so. Oh dear.